Hello and happy Friday. I hope everybody is having a great day. I am Lexi and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, we normally upload videos every Friday. I have been taking a break for the last couple of weeks. We've been having internet issues and trying to get our kitchen back together. So we decided to redo the kitchen, and that brings me to my next update, which is if you want to see the kitchen updates, I am now on TikTok under Lexi Mombi as well. And if you want to see those kitchen updates, you can go on over to TikTok and find me there, and there's a few videos. We are not finished yet, but we are working on it. So I also opened an Etsy shop, and it is called 13, the number 13 Oddities, all one word, and I have been listing my resin art there, which I have found a new love for. Really, I was inspired by Artsy Mad Women, and we already had epoxy and glitter and all kinds of stuff in the house. So I got a couple of molds off of Amazon, and now I'm in love. So if you would like to check that stuff out, please head on over to my shop and check it out. I'm gonna try to drop new listings every week, and eventually we'll be putting metalwork stuff on there, so keep an eye out for that. Also, Kissy Bear is 9 months old already. He has 6 teeth. He is crawling a lot, fast, all over the place. He is also standing on his own. Today was, I think, the record where he stood for about 1.5 minutes without holding on to anything. And he's taken 4 steps so far. So, you know, he is on the move and growing way too fast. So I've kind of already filmed all of this, the intro and everything, once, but I forgot to turn my microphone on again. I have a really bad habit of doing that. So today we will be doing the June BoxyCharm base box unboxing, which I haven't done in a couple of months. If you are interested in these videos, please let me know down below, or if not, let me know. The last one I didn't do very well views wise, so I'm not sure if y'all really care or whatever. I just don't want to waste my time if it's something that nobody wants to see anyways. So since I've already done this once, I'm kind of gonna just, you know, go through everything real quickly, and then we'll get to the try-on portion. So a couple months ago, nobody got their choice items, and BoxyCharm decided to give everybody charms for the charm room. And they rarely have anything in there anyways, but I decided to spend some of my points on these Lashaholic lashes. I put lashes on my beauty quiz, but I never get lashes in my box. It's kind of upsetting. And I didn't hear the greatest review on these lashes, but we're gonna try them today anyways. Let's see, this is the Instaglam, I guess that's the style, Instaglam. So we'll be trying those out today. Okay, so first out of our box was our Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, which retails for $24, and there is a code for $5 off your next order, which is Boxy5, and I'll put that below in the description for y'all. Next out of the box was the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. Has a blush, a contour, and a highlight. This is what that looks like. Retails for $24. Next up, we had my choice item for the month, which is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Eye Balm. Now, I've already tried this and it feels really good on your eyes. So I think that's something that I'll definitely love getting some use out of, and that retails for $28. And then we have the the Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo in the shade Charming, which I'm sure a lot of people got this. But it's an interesting pinky red color. I'll go ahead and swatch the liner for you. It's this color here. The lip gloss smells like chocolate cupcakes. It also retails for $40. And last but not least, we have the Smashbox setting spray, and I know I love this stuff because I got it in an Ulta gift bag situation, and yeah, so I already really love this stuff, and it is $32. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my box this month, which, like I said, hasn't been the case for the last couple of months. Now, on to the try-on portion. I've already done my foundation and a little concealer, and of course my eyebrows. So we will just get right into the products here, which obviously I'm not going to wash my face. That's something I think that face wash is different for everybody, you know, so one person may like it and the next person may hate it. The Kylie Skin line isn't something I've really been intrigued in anyways, you know. It's I don't know. I've never really been impressed with her products, so I wasn't really worried about trying that. So we'll go ahead, we'll try this contour situation. Just gonna kind of place it down with this foundation brush, and then we'll blend it out. Laura Geller is not a brand that I have ever really tried. Let me know what y'all think of it down below if you've tried it. I see it at TJ Maxx all the time, but I just have never really seen anything that I was super interested in. Now, I hear their highlights are decent, so I'm pretty excited to try out this highlight. Okay, I'll just blend all this out. I don't think the color is bad on me at all. I think that is a very subtle situation, which I guess is good for like natural makeup, summer makeup, that kind of thing. Alright, so now let's see how this blush is. Also very subtle, but not a bad color at all. It's very natural, I guess is the best way to put it. It's one of those things where you really got to build it up, I think. Very, very natural. Not bad. I'm not mad at it. I think I'm just going to go in with my finger for the highlight. Oh wow. feels very creamy. It has a weird like feeling. I don't know how to describe it. It's just kind of different, I guess. The highlight is pretty, also subtle. Gives you a very wet, dewy look, which of course I love. I'm a big dewy skin fan. Let's do a little on the nose. Go up here a little bit. Blends pretty easy with your finger. Alright, so there's the highlight. Not too bad. I'm really liking that. I think that that's something I'll definitely get some use out of, or at least throw in my travel makeup bag for when I go out of town. It's always nice to have something small and compact so that you're not carrying a whole bunch of stuff with you. I'm always nervous to take my makeup out of town because I'm afraid I'm going to lose it or break it. So I tend to leave my favorite stuff at home. What about y'all? Do you take your favorite stuff with you, or are you like me and you just take, you know, stuff that works well but is not necessarily your favorite items? Of course, there are some things you just can't live without, like I have to have my Jeffree Star Velour liquid lips that go with me. Those are my favorite lipsticks by far, so I definitely at least take those. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, we have this Cab Lip Duo. The lip liner is very creamy. I'm just not really sure about this color altogether. The gloss feels nice. It's not sticky. And it definitely smells good. Honestly, I think my niece would love this color. And she looks good in every lip color. It's ridiculous. So I'll probably just be giving that to her. I don't hate the formula or anything. It's just the color. It's not really up my alley. Okay, and we don't have any eyeshadow today, so I'm just gonna throw on some eyeliner and try these lashes out real quick. So a cool trick that I saw is someone said to put your eyelash glue on like eyeliner and then stick your lashes to that. And honestly, I think it makes it easier to do your eyelashes. Just let that get a little tacky. Hopefully these aren't too long either. See? Bam. Easy. I really actually like this lash. I think it looks super pretty. It's definitely not the most comfortable though. It's kind of poking me over here a little bit. See if I can adjust them and fix that. Maybe if I trim them down a little bit next time, and that will help that. So I'll probably do that if I wear them again. Not bad. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blend together my natural lashes with my falsies with the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I've really been loving this mascara. And bam, just like that, we have our Boxy Charm look. Pretty simple for today. If you have hung out this long, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Like I said, I try to upload videos every Friday. For the most part, I have been consistent besides these past few weeks. It's been a crazy year, has it not? And please let me know in the comments, what was your favorite product that I got in my box today? Did you get the same box? Did you get something different? I would love to know. Alright, well, I will see you next week. Hopefully. More than likely. See you next time. Bye! Whoops, almost forgot the setting spray.